everybody, I am going to come on and do a color with me. I've gotten comments that, oh, I miss those, so you guys are so sweet, because seriously, I am not a professional. But I did get these cutie patootie little images from my good friend and yours, Jill Norwood. She sent in some cards for my Valentine cards for seniors, and she included these stamped images, so I wanted to color them up. And she actually shares, I'll link her video where she shares what she did with these. So I thought, I need to color them before I set them aside and I can't find them, and you know how it is. Okay, so I tried to get out some, I use the Tribe blends, so I tried to pick some colors that I thought I would use, but I have my colors on the side here too, so I can use those as well. But I thought I'll start, I'm not real happy with the yellows that are included with the Tri blends, just to be honest. So, but I think I figured it out. So I'm going to use this gold yellow. It's actually the light color, but it's good dark yellow. So that makes sense, because they come with 3 dark, medium, and brown. Or dark, medium, and light brown. Jeez. Come on, Kim. So yeah, I'm been busy. I don't know what it is I do, but I seem to get to the end of the day, middle of the day, and go, what have I accomplished today? It's crazy. And then I'm going to come in with the light yellow. But see, to me, they're not, I don't know. Anyway. And I went to my mailbox. I emailed each person already, but I will be sharing my load. I mean, you guys have come through. Some of you have sent me more than one set. It's like, oh my gosh, unbelievable. So, this is, the light one's always the one by itself. Anyway, it took me 2 trips. The mail lady put where I'm in a neighborhood mailbox, so there's a whole bunch of different mailboxes, and then at the bottom are 2, I didn't want to do this in yellow. Okay, anywho, I was going to do the bird in yellow. What am I thinking? Okay, Kim's not thinking. That's what's happening. Anywho, I guess I'll just keep going. So anyway, I get there, both boxes for the parcels was full of my stuff. From you guys. That's how, and I was like, how am I going to get this? It took me 2 trips. I had to walk back and forth. Yeah, it was a Lucille moment, but anyway, I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I can't say it enough. You guys are awesome. So yeah, this was going to be gosh darn it. See, this is what I get when I talk. I can't talk and color at the same time. So the chick, what am I going to do about that? Okay, it's not easy being me, I tell people. I ordered a new phone because this one's starting to act up as far as it won't go through. Things will, I don't know. I'm near the end of my contract. I've almost paid it off, so that's when they start acting up, right? I mean, that's pretty, this yellow, but it wasn't one. What am I going to do with the bird? Oh, my God. Okay, there you go. All right, so I'm going to color this bird yellow. I don't know what. Anyway. Yeah. So I'm doing this again with the shadows. Little tum-tums. You guys want this. This is Lucille Ball moments. I think that's why you like to watch me color. It makes you feel better about yourself. Just saying. I would feel better about myself if I watched me. Because, I am, if nothing, I'm entertaining, right? Let's see what this does. A little bit of okay. This is the medium on the gold yellow blend. Oy, oy, oy. I can't let go of it, I'm telling you. Okay, so let's get out the dark. Oh, and speaking of, see, I don't like how that goes together. Anyway, oh my God. Okay. Lucille Ball. So I throw the ball, as you know, for my kid's dog, Coco. Well, I haven't been taking her to where the grass is, up where Brian throws for her because it's muddy. And then she gets back, she gets their furniture muddy, and I don't want to clean her. So I do this little road they have alongside their house. Well, being that I'm me, I end up throwing the ball. I use this Chuck It. It is a free-for-all. I mean, that thing, I throw it, and we have 3 balls now. I keep reordering from Amazon over Chuck It balls over the neighbors. So I saw their son yesterday's new neighbors. We said, hey, you know, I'm the grandma over here. You'll see me every once in a while. And I've thrown, I think, 3 balls in your yard. He goes, oh, I'll go get them. I go, well, just, you know, when you see them, chuck them over the fence. Okay. Never. This is orange. Never to see him again or the balls. Okay, maybe they decided you throw them in here, they're ours, lady. Which, technically, I guess they are. I don't know. I'm just like, my son goes, how hard is it to throw a ball? I go, evidently for me, it's really hard. I don't know. It's just like, off it goes. Okay, anywho, I'm using jade green. I hope I like that. Kind of a blue green. So I'm going to go under his little paw and her paw wing. Boy, I don't know, Kim. Sorry, I'm whispering to myself. You're probably all too on. I can't hear you. You're not missing anything. Good. Okay. Oh, and my sister is home. She chose to go home rather than rehab, which that's her choice. But I called her yesterday, and she sounds like she's doing well. So that's awesome. So thank you for everybody's good wishes. Appreciate it. So now I'm going to try the coral blend for this tulip that I intended to. Anyway. I'm telling you. So we'll just color this one and forget about that one. Okay? 1, 2. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going in with my darks. And again, I am not professional. I do just color for joy, the joy that it gives me, and I so love these images. So Jill, thank you. She's the one that started the Satmorn Makes. Oh my gosh, what a wonderful person. And she lives in my state, so that's kind of fun. It's not funny. I mean, I feel almost... She understands the weather situation. I mean, today was 50. It's just weird. We need snowpack for our, I keep talking about this, for our water this summer, so when we get these fires that we've been getting, we'll be okay. Well, we have little to no snow up there, so it's not looking good. It's looking good for me to drive and see my kids, which I'm happy about, but not for snowpack. But, you know, nothing I can do about it, so other than worry about it. Yeah. And that's what I do. I'm a worrier. I worry about things that have nothing to do with me. No, I can't control, I guess is what I mean to say. I started doing setting up my Valentine's Day stuff. I just go in stages. I ended up with 3 containers. I'm putting together little snippets of my days and put it in one vlog because, you know, I don't have that exciting of a life, but I thought it'd be fun to share something. But anyway, it's like, okay, this is a lot. So watch for that, and I will be doing a video soon of the cards that I've received. Somebody said, oh, you should keep track of how many, and oh my gosh, I wish I had thought of that, but I can't go back, because that's a great idea. I've been recording each person, emailing each person, getting the addresses down so I can send out any to the winner, and emailing to let them know I've received it. And I never thought to count them all, and I gotta be honest, I don't think I'm gonna go back and do that, even though I really like that idea. But yeah, there's so many, so many, and they just keep coming in. So you have till the 8th, which is a Sunday. So if they got here on the 9th, we're good. I didn't even realize. I didn't even look at what day of the week that was. Okay, so there's that little doodly-doo. Neat cute. Wonder if I went over this yellow with something. Let's try it. I got nothing to lose. It's either that or I throw it away anyway. right? What should we do here? Sorry, you can drop off if you want. I wouldn't blame you. Let's do a red. A red tulip. So it feels like spring here. It's like crazy. Tomorrow's supposed to be the highest, record-breaking 60s. The East Coast is freezing to death, and we're snowed in, and we are like spring-like weather. It's nuts. Yeah, I think this is going to work. What do you think? I think it is. I think it is. We will see. It looks like mustard and ketchup right now, but we'll give it a go. Okay. Then I was trying to call because I have to get my license plate and my phone. Did I say this already? I probably did. Anyway, and I thought it was my phone, and I ended up, I called from my son's phone this afternoon, the dealership, and they go, oh, we've been having problems. I'm like, oh, for the love of God. I ordered a new phone, which I'm due. It's been acting up, but it's like, okay, thanks. Anyway, like I said. So I will get a new phone. I still stuck. I have a Samsung. I'm probably not even on, oh my Lord, you guys, I'm so sorry. Anyway, Galaxy Ultra, I like the camera on it. So yeah, there's what I'm gonna do. So that'll come tomorrow, and that'll frustrate the heck out of me, because I've gotta switch over my stuff from this one, and I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that worked. I'm so much happier. Aren't you glad I'm happy? Aren't you happy for me? And I cracked myself up. So oh my gosh. Okay. I want to blend that in a little bit. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, I like it. I'm so glad I decided to go ahead and try it. All right, so now we can do our little birdie bird, a little ducky, little chick. I guess I don't think it's a duck. It's a chick. Oh my gosh. Isn't he cute? Oh, he's so sweet. So sweet. See, I'm going to try a different yellow. Citrus blend. Maybe that'll be a little brighter or something. Yeah, that's a little better. That's the light, so let's go with the dark. Yeah, I like that better. I'm going to go over here and add some of that to him. The other little baby. The baby chick. Okay. Much happier. Yay! See, you can save it. Don't give up. Think outside the box. American Crafts extended their vault sale and have added new things through February. So if you think you missed out, oh no you did not. Get in there, people. Make me feel better about myself. I've got one order in and I'm waiting on another one, so I don't know if I'll share each one separately. I don't know. We will see. Okay, so doing a little stammy stam. I don't think, a lot of times I don't use this is the mid, because it's pretty dark. I think I'm just going to go like that. And then come in with the light. You just have to kind of keep coloring. I hear people say I can't color. Yeah, you can. You can. You just have to take the time and be good to yourself. Don't judge yourself. I color and color and color over a thing till I get it so it's not a harsh line, right? So that's one thing that I would tip you to do. It's one tip from Kim. It's, keep blending. Blend and blend and blend. See how it goes through? That's supposed to happen. Oh my gosh, are these not the cutest? OMG. my gosh. Love it. Oh, thank you, Jill. Oh my gosh. I just love this little chickie with the tulip. Gives me spring happy vibes. And then a lot of times I like to go, if I can find it quickly. Blue turquoise, no. Ice blue. Here we go. And I cut them around in shadow a little bit on the outside just to. This is a light blue. What am I doing the light? Yeah. I learned this from Anna White here on YouTube. She's got a new release coming on Saturday. Super excited. I have been working on my creative time projects that I will share soon. I just wanted my recent order that I actually won for being part of the school. So if you like my creative time and order from her a lot, from Emma, I would recommend going on her school. You join, I think it's $5 a month. It is such a fun community of ladies. It's awesome. So, and there's classes like this Saturday. I'm signed up to be on the group, and that's how I won my January release. So yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna stop there. All right, I will share soon what I do with these two cute baby chicks. Again, thank you, Jill. Thank you, everybody, for sending your cards in. And just thank you. I just love my little YouTube family. You guys are awesome. Take care. Bye-bye.